How to disable Add Friend button in Facebook. Follow this step. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Now click on the gear icon at the top right to open the settings. Once you're inside the setting, scroll down a little. Next, select how people find and contact you. Furthermore, look for who can send you friend request. It's usually set to everyone by default. Open it. Then switch the option to friends of friends and hit the save button. By doing this, only people who already have mutual friends with you can send a request. After that, go back to the previous settings screen. This time choose followers and public content option. Click on who can follow me at the top and switch it from public to friends and hit the save button at the bottom. This step ensures that only your friends can follow you. By adjusting both of these settings, the Add Friend button will be removed. There you go. This is how to disable Add Friend button in Facebook.